everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys the inserts that we are getting this Sunday. We are getting 2 inserts, small Retell Me Not and the P&G. So I usually say get some P&Gs. The best time is to have 4 of them usually, but you can only use like 2 coupons, but it just depends on what you guys need. But I'm here to share with you guys what we are getting. So here we got the Retell Me Not. We're getting a $4 off of 2 Boosts, Nestle Pure, Right Guard, $1, or we have a buy 2 get 1 free Right Guard coupon. Runicant, not sure what that is, but we got that. Now we have the P&G, so we got Align, Always, we got 4 off of 2, Cascade, $1, Cascade 50 cents, Cascade Rinse Aid, $1, Crest 3D White Strips, $5, Oral-B, okay, mouthwash, we got $1. Sorry, my children are playing with marble runs in the background. Toothpaste, $1. Dawn Liquid Spray, 50 cents. Febreze, buy 1 get 1 free. That's a good coupon. Fixodent Gain Dishwashing, 50 cents. Gillette, we got $2 off of 2. And then we got some razors, $3 off, and then $5 off. And then Head and Shoulders, $2 and $3 off of 2. Herbal Essence, 4 off of 2. That's a pretty good coupon. Love's Diapers, $1.50. Can you guys be quiet for just a second, please? Oh my goodness. Mr. Clean, $1, 50 cents. Olay Bar, 4 count, $1.50. Now there is a deal at Walgreens that I'm going to talk to you guys about all that stuff. Olay Eyes, $2, $1. $3. Old Spice body wash, we got $1 off any 2. And then the dry body spray is $2 off. Now there is a deal that you guys could use that at Walgreens if it expands from this week. Pampers diapers, 3 off of probably 2. Easy Ups, $2 off. Pampers wipes, 50 cents off of any 2. Pantene, 5 off of 2. Another Pantene, $1. And then we have other Pantenes, 5 off of 3. Pepto-Bismol, 50 cents. Prilosec, Safeguard, Secret Clinical, we got a $2 off coupon. And then their Secret Dry Spray, $2. Now there is a deal coming up at Walgreens that you guys could use that might be a better deal. And then here we got Secret Outlast, $2 off any 2. Stress Balls, $2. Swiffer, $2. Tampax Pearl, 4 off of 2, good coupon. Venus, $4. Vicks, 50 cents. And then Waterless products, $4. So that is what's going to be in our inserts this week. Usually everybody gets the same kind of coupons for the P&G. Some people still get you know, Downy and Tide. My area doesn't get it, so it's up to you guys, but just wanted to share with you on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.